So this location is called Bama Humanitarian Hub. It's located 50 kilometers southeast of Maiduguri. It's just a straight drive from Maiduguri to Bama. And in this location, they run up to 40 ACs. They run water heaters there, up to 8 water heaters. They run water pumps and many other loads, including the essential loads. So the first assignment we had there was to separate the loads into 2 categories: the critical loads and the heavy loads. The critical loads are the loads that must stay on 24 hours because of the functionality of the hubs. Number 1, the lights, the sockets, anything that is essential. We designed a 90 kVA solar hybrid system with 462 kilowatt hour for 3-day energy storage. In case there is no sun for 3 days, we have enough energy that can last the humanitarian for 2 to 3 days. Now, the daytime load, the daytime consumption is supported by 2 units of Fronius Simo 20 kilowatt PV inverter that runs as master and slave. This is the master controlling the slave, and then these 2 systems work together to generate the daytime consumption. Comes from these 2 devices. The excess that is not consumed from them goes into the battery storage. Inside this small container, we have 30 units of BYD 15.4 premium LVL lithium batteries. Each of them comes as 2 units together. So we have from battery 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is battery 16th, and then we have the battery 17th to the 30th battery. So this is the PV disconnect box, which is meant to disconnect all solar inputs from the solar devices. Both the Fronius and the NPPTs, they are all linked here. They have 3 layers of protection. The layer 1 is the DC fuse, the layer 2 is the DC breaker, the 3rd layer is the S-Speed, that's the surge protective device, all located in here, and they are all well grounded with an earth bar here going to the ground. There's a separate earth pit for this PV disconnect box, separate from the equipment grounding and separate from the container grounding. So all the metal surface of this place are grounded.